Let's start by defining what cloud computing is. Imagine that instead of storing all your important files and data on your computer, you can access them from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. That's exactly what cloud computing is. It's a way of accessing IT services over the internet, and it's changing the game in the tech world. Next, let's talk about the different types of clouds. We have public clouds, private clouds, and hybrid clouds. Public clouds are like a massive online storage locker that anyone can use. It's perfect for small businesses and individuals who don't need a lot of computing resources, and the best part is that it won't break the bank. Private clouds, on the other hand, are like having your very own IT department, where only you and your organization have access to the resources. It's more secure, but it's also more expensive. Lastly, we have hybrid clouds, which is like having the best of both worlds. You can store sensitive data in a private cloud and the rest in a public cloud. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of cloud computing. One of the biggest pros is scalability. You can easily adjust your computing resources as needed, without having to buy more hardware. Plus, you can access your data and apps from anywhere, making it easier for remote workers to get their job done. But, as with anything in life, there are also some downsides to cloud computing. One of the biggest concerns is security. When you store your data with a third-party provider, you're putting your trust in them to keep it safe. And let's face it, data breaches happen, so this can be a big issue for organizations dealing with sensitive information. Another con is service interruptions, which can occur due to natural disasters or network outages, resulting in downtime and a loss of productivity. In conclusion, cloud computing is a game changer in the tech world, and it's here to stay. With its scalability and accessibility, it's the perfect solution for organizations, but just like everything, it also has its downsides. But hey, let's focus on the positives and enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech content.